Good morning, another day in Morocco. Today we are in Fez on our way to Chefchaouen. Honestly, I don't think that's how you pronounce the name, but currently we're at the bus station because there are no trains that take you to the Blue City, only buses. So we're at the bus station. It's called CTM if you're interested in going from Fez to Chefchaouen or from anywhere. CTM is the bus company. Anyways, we got a coffee. Chefchaouen. Oh my goodness, room tour! This is our beautiful room. Look at that arch and the detailing inside. So nice. And then to the rest of the Riad. Look at the detailing of this. The bathroom. The sink is so beautiful. And then the shower. Getting food. If you're unfamiliar, Morocco is Muslim, which means that you'll hear on loudspeakers throughout the day when they will pray. And you hear it right now. So right now it's prayer time, which is interesting because I've been in another Muslim country and they don't put their prayers on speaker like this. So we got soup.
In the souk.
So if you are a vegetarian like us or even a vegan, there are actually a lot of options in Morocco because you don't necessarily have to go to a vegan only or vegetarian only restaurant to get options.
Lemon juice.
Yes, thank you.
Oil. And mango juice.
And we got juice. And mango. Next up is salud. It's eggplant. Eggplant salad. And a staple that we have to always get.
Tashine. That's not bad.
Okay, so we went back to the Riad. Now we've changed. Look what we're wearing. I'm wearing his sweater because I didn't bring a sweater. And then he bought this jacket in Fez. And we're both wearing long pants. And I'm wearing my scarf. It's 17 today. For some reason, we've been in Morocco for a little over a week now, and it's been so unbearably hot, and then all of a sudden it just drops. We're kind of thinking it's because we're up north, but I don't know. Okay, so we got some sweets. All of this for only 16 dirhams. It's about, how many pieces? Six pieces for 16 dirhams. Oh. Check this one out. The print. Okay. Almond. Looks like a dumpling. So we did some shopping as per usual, but now we're finally going to do that hammam. finished with the hammam, which if you watched our Marrakesh vlog, we also did a hammam, and it was a very, very unique experience. So we were kind of expecting the same type of experience, but this one was a DIY hammam. You go in and we basically did it ourselves. There was no one in there scrubbing us or bathing us, and we had the whole entire hammam to ourselves. So I would only suggest that if you've done a hammam before, that way you get the full experience of having someone hammam you, if that makes sense. And after we did a lot of shopping, and now we're looking for some food. So now we're back in the Riyadh, but I'm going to end today here, and I'll see you guys tomorrow. Good morning from another day in Chefchaouen, and right now we're about to get brekkie. Oh my goodness, this looks amazing.
Okay.
Cheers. Cheers. Solid.
Good.
Oh, it's so warm. Okay, so now we're walking around once again wearing jackets. I don't know if it's because the timing that we're here or if it's usually because of the location, but it is cold. So compared to Marrakesh and Fez, Chefchaouen is very, very quiet and very relaxed, because look, there's like no one on the streets, there's no cars, there's no motorbikes, just us on foot. So I'm going to end the Chefchaouen vlog here. If you guys haven't seen my other Moroccan videos, please do so. Subscribe if you haven't, because there will be another video coming out of this one. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!